Yep, that's the propeller. That's a trolling motor.
Papa,
Huh?
this only has one number.
Yeah, we was already down this side.
No,
Yeah, remember 6, 8, and 10?
no,
We was.
no, that number, that number, that number,
Man,
right.
this boat right here, it needs to see the boat doctor.
Yeah, good. This one needs to see the boat doctor.
Yep. Number 12.
It needs, no, it's number 1, 2.
1, 2, yeah. I'd like to get a hold of the person that owns this boat since it's just sitting here.
And it's,
See whose it is.
and it's working.
We could put new seats and fix that motor, and then we'd have us one.
No,
Yeah.
I look. You ready, Papa?
Yeah. Yeah, that one ain't tied too good either.
It only is tied to 2 things.
Well, if we ever get one, we're going to keep it tied up better than that. Come on.
Papa,
Huh?
but only 2 ropes again.
Yep. Well, they ain't really going nowhere.
Hey,
There ain't going to be no...
Papa, look. That one's working.
Yeah, it is.
And it's moving even. It's even moving.
Yeah, the wind's blowing it. If they'd kept it snugged up, it'd be okay.
It's safe. What? See this one yet?
Huh?
Have we saw this one yet?
No, I don't remember seeing it.
Papa, look.
I'm looking.
Look, there's a pizza.
Yep.
Pizza. Pizza. A little boy girl tail.
Little boy and girl chair. Little boy and girl kayaks.
And so, look. No, moving.
Look at here. Look there, that one's pulled the board loose. It's tied to.
What?
Let me see. Don't you step on here. These are rotten. Yeah, don't walk out here, daggone. Scared myself. I just about broke the boards through.
Look.
Yeah, I
It's
see.
only hanging to something.
Yeah, it's hanging to thin air in it. Don't walk out on that one, because
No.
if you fall through there, you'd go under that quick.
Yeah. Don't go in there. But
Yeah.
no boat.
Nope.
No boat.
That one's floated around.
Papa.
My goodness, yeah.
No, that's no boat. No doubt.
No doubt, yeah. That one needs a boat doctor. That one needs stowed in the dump. That's what that one needs. Ain't no doctor going to fix that one.
Look.
Okay, we're all the way down here at the end. What, baby?
This boat needs to go to the boat. That's there.
It sure does.
This one does.
Yeah, that's just a dock. That one's a pretty good one, but this one right here, there ain't nothing left of it but the nails.
Yeah. Papa.
Hmm?
Look. No. No boat.
No boats.
All these boats. All done.
All done, yeah. Yeah, they need, no, yeah, somebody will get hurt on that one probably. They'll walk on there.
Look, the door's getting broken.
Yeah.
This one needs to go to the boat doctor.
Sometimes people just let them stay here and they won't fix them.
Look,
And it costs too much getting them took out of here and hauled.
it's only tied.
I know it. It's untied.
It's gonna break. But why is there a ladder here?
That's how they climb in and out of it when they're swimming.
Nobody can go in that one because I messed up. I got paid.
See here, this one here's a new one they've recently built.
But it's breaking now. It's breaking.
Yeah, it is.
Papa, come here.
I'm going this way.
Look, come here. Look, I can't believe you didn't see that.
I did see it.
Look,
I did.
look, there's a magnet rail and making the thing together.
Oh, they ain't got it tied very good.
So it's only tied to two things. Look, where's the one?
Yeah.
I'm faster than I'm faster than faster.
What, baby girl?
Look. Look. The other part of the door is
Yep, it's broke.
the other part of the door is broken off.
Yeah, it sure is.
There's supposed to be something else. Look, that boat is not even sail. Papa,
Huh?
that boat, Papa, this boat, Papa, this boat that I'm at is not real. What is that?
That boat's for sale.
Well, it doesn't look like it's for sale. This one needs to go to the blue cup.
Yeah, but that one could be repaired if they had a really good price to get rid of it. Then